framing lumber comes out of the factory bent because the factory is a forest. Cutting a straight line on a crooked board can be difficult and dangerous, so it's best to make a jig. Matt Jackson uses a scrap of sheet stock with a factory edge and rips it about 5 inches wide. Fasten a backing block to the end so you can screw a pushboard into it, forming the business end of the jig. Spacer blocks are screwed into the straight edge at each end of the crooked wood. A second block holds the workpiece in place so you can safely move it through the table saw.